I can't believe it, you're a dream coming true. I can't believe how I had fallen for you, and I was not looking, was content to remain. And it's ironic to be back in the game. You are the one who's led me to the sun. How could I know that I was lost without you? And I want to tell you, you control my brain, and you should know that you are life in my veins.